Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how you may schedule your vREST test cases using any external scheduler like cron on Linux or Mac machine. To schedule test cases, first you need to install our command line utility named as vrunner. We have already discussed about vrunner in our previous video tutorial on executing test cases on command line. If you're not aware of vREST module, then we recommend you to first view our previous tutorial. To schedule test cases, we need a test case list URL required by vrunner command. Simply go to the vREST application and apply some filters or select some test suites which you want to execute. Let's suppose we want to schedule test cases of test suite 1 and test suite 2. Simply select the test suite 1 and test suite 2 and then click on the button Copy Current List URL to copy the filtered URL. We will first try to execute the vrunner command on command line. Then we will add this command in the cron job to schedule test cases. But before that, we will first find the path of vrunner by executing the command which vrunner. Now we will use these paths in our vrunner command like this. As this command is working fine, let's add this command in a cron job to schedule vREST test cases. To set up a cron job, simply execute the following command. This command will automatically open an editor where you may write your cron job script. Cron tab uses mail service to send the output and errors of cron jobs. So if your mail service is not configured properly, then you may set mail to variable as an empty string. In the next line, we are scheduling the cron job on per minute basis. Now let's see that whether our cron job is working properly or not. Simply log into the vREST application and then see the test run history in the test runs tab. As you can see here that our scheduled job has been executed 5 times in 5 minutes. vrunner always stores the results on vREST application, so you may always view the results of test runs executed by vrunner command on vREST application. But if you want to store the results in your local file system, then you may use logger option in the vrunner command like this. Now at every run, it will store the test run results in the specified log file. Now suppose you want to schedule vrunner job daily at midnight. Then just replace the first 2 stars with 0. Now suppose if you want to receive email notifications on every test run execution or every failed test run execution, then simply go to the vREST application and then select Project Configuration tab. Now move to the notification section. Here you may choose the notification option, and if you want the report in email as well, then you may choose the report format from CSV, JSON or XML. Now when the cron job will be executed, then you will also receive an email notification based on the option you have configured in vREST. This is how you may schedule vREST test cases via cron job. To know more about scheduling vREST test cases, you may go to the user guide of vREST and then visit scheduling vREST test cases section.